Yo, what's going on today, everyone? I got a call. I just jumped out of my house. My parts for the BRZ are painted. We're gonna pick them up right now. It's kind of spitting a bit, so it's gonna be an annoying drive. Gotta go about half an hour out to go pick up the parts, and I got the wagon with me, fold down the seats, and hopefully everything fits and doesn't get scratched on the way back. And I'm super excited for this.
Lonely nights, 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 lonely nights. Dead to you, this my view, dry my eyes.
I really hope you guys are excited with what's coming on the channel and the stuff we're doing to the BRZ. I did order something for the Audi though, and this Audi does need some love. Whoa, why is my fan going crazy? A couple issues starting to pop up. Got some mods for it. Got to do some fixes. So stay tuned, guys.
No more lies, we are through. Feeling blue, thinking what might just die. I know what you.
Alright, so I just got home and I'm looking at the parts in the back of the wagon, and dude, they look just so nice. And I guess while we're here, here's a little spoiler. Not sure this video comes out before or after those are revealed or go on the car, but there you go. So I do have everything here wrapped in blankets. Over here, got the TRD V1 side skirts paint matched with the blue and the black. I also have the TRD style rear bumper lip, I guess that's what you would call it. Got that two-tone as well. Rallybacker duckbill spoiler over here. Gloss black front lip over there. And this is my mirror cap. I gave that to the painter to paint match everything with. And I had a scuff on it, so he ended up doing a respray on that as well. So everything actually looks really good. I'm going to get started on the back of the car. Most likely going to do the duckbill first and the rear lip. For that rear lip, I will have to cut around the exhaust tips a bit so that I can clear up space for the quad tip and the valence on that thing. As you guys can see, it's a lot wider. It'll make more sense when I have it out and mock fit it on the car. So you guys will see how that's going to look. So I pretty much prepped the trunk. I'm going to be starting with the Rallybacker spoiler. I sealed up the rear two holes from the OEM spoiler with some Nardo gray wrap. So I can tell everyone, yo, my car is Nardo. And I got these paint match plugs as well with all the other parts that got painted. Oh my god, this is going to look so good.
5 hours later.
Yo, what's good, everyone? It's been a couple days. It is a bright November weekend. This is like almost a record high for warm today. I'm still wearing a cap because it's still a bit cold, but it's been a couple days. I did get the spoiler mounted and it looks so sick. So this is crazy aggressive, the angle on it. Had a little bit of difficulty mounting, so I didn't record too much of it, but it's pretty simple. Just had to line up the double-sided tape and get the spoiler plugs in there right. So car's pretty dirty because I was driving around a little bit just to make sure this would stay on, and it has been raining a little bit, so you guys can see there it looks crazy. So I'm gonna take care of the rear lip as I showed you guys before. That is sitting right over here, and it's got these extra large cutouts that are meant for a quad tip, so I am going to have to make a template over here and cut out a little of the space here. The rear of this car is going to make such a huge transformation. Already it looks so wild. Ah, so excited. Alright, so I just took off my STI diffuser and the rear spats, and I'm just test fitting the new TRD rear lip, and geez, it looks so good. And now that that is on there, you can see the vision, how this is going to curve down. The TRD side skirts are going to start over there and go down along the sides. All together, this is going to look so amazing.
From it, I know what you need from it. Rolling trees by my.
Whew, there is no coming back from this.
Myself, rolling trees by myself. Oh, so lonely. She don't call me. She don't need me. She don't need me. Money calling. Now I'm falling in this game. These other rappers crawling. Money calling.
Alright, so that TRD rear lip is now fully installed. I did get a little gap at the bottom near the fourth brake light. So there's the gap just under the fourth brake light over there. Otherwise, it does look really sick. Just gotta get those quad tips installed. So that's just a look at how the rear of the car looks right now. I am gonna end this video here because I think it is getting a bit long. I will pick this back up into the side skirts and the front lip soon, but tomorrow I am getting the new wheels mounted on new tires and installed in the car. So I've got some prep to do. I'm gonna ceramic coat them, let them cure overnight, and take them for mounting tomorrow and put them on the car. So that's got to get done. I'll drop that video and then finish off the body kit stuff in a future video. So let me know in the comments how you think the car looks right now with this set of mods. In my opinion, it's pretty unique. You never really see this combination of parts on a car before. It is pretty rare, I think. So if you guys are appreciating the mods and you guys enjoy the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.